Do you shop online to avoid going to the supermarket because it feels confusing? That's a pity, because it's actually a great place to learn English. In the UK, we usually say to do the food shop. So you might hear people say, I need to do the big food shop, or I need to do the weekly shop, or I just need a quick shop. The big shop or the weekly shop usually mean the shopping for the whole week. Food shopping in the UK isn't just about buying food. It's one of the best places to hear real, everyday English. So let me show you how people really speak when they do the food shop in the UK. Good morning. What are your favorite hiking spots? It's almost time for my appointment. Can I walk there, or should I take a bus? Hi everyone, and welcome to Just Saying. Supermarkets in the UK are usually organized into sections. So if you ask where to find anything, you might hear it's in the fruit and veg section. Veg is short for vegetables. Check the dairy aisle. It's in the meat section. It's in the bakery section. It's in the frozen food section. And there's one that still confuses me. Sometimes family meals section is actually microwavable meals. So now let's have a look at the most common products that people buy every week. Bread, eggs, flour. That's right, it's pronounced the same as the flowers that grow outside. Porridge, water, fizzy drinks, tea, coffee, beans, oil, rice, pasta, milk, meat. For example, those chicken fillets, sausages, bacon, oranges, apples, pears, grapes, potatoes, carrots, onions, chocolate, nuts, crisps. That's right, not chips, because in the UK, chips are what you also know as French fries. You may also get some cleaning products in your supermarket, like the washing liquid or fabric conditioner, dishwashing liquid, cleaning spray. So if you're doing food shopping with someone, you might say, we need some milk, or I'll get some bread. Some is a great word to use. British people use it all the time. You might ask, do we need anything else? In British supermarkets, you'll see a lot of offers, like this one that says that this product has the best price in this supermarket. You might also see signs that say, on offer, 2 for 1 or 3 for 2. So you might say, this is a really good deal, or this is still quite expensive. At the checkout, you'll hear,
do you need a bag?
You usually need to pay for bags in the UK. I'm okay, thank you.
Cash or card?
Just answer, cash please, or card please.
Cash or card?
Card please. And don't forget to say thank you before you leave. Tell me in the comments, what is food shopping like in your country? Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, please like this video and let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you'd like to see another video like this one every week, and follow me on social media for more tips on speaking fluent English. Bye!